This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for November 14th, 2022. It's currently October 7th, 2022, 4:59 p.m. The overall theme and behavior for the day is a period of volatility that ends with a fast, sudden move to the upside. Looks like there's a male leader that's highlighted early in the day as well. 3 knights. And we gapped down likely pretty hard over the weekend. A high for the day as well in the post market. A bit of there's a decline in the post market with a fast sudden move higher. So we either come off of a high and decline, and there's a fast sudden move higher marking the end of that period of decline somewhere right around the open, or we're in a decline and there's a fast sudden move higher ending that decline, and that fast sudden move higher in the post market forms the high. But I'm thinking probably we decline and there's a fast sudden move higher right around the open. That fast sudden move higher right around the open is a temporary kind of like ending to the decline in the post market. I'm advised to open up protection or protect, open up short positions or protect against long positions right around the open. There's a notable drop right there off of it, after a little bit of a rally. There's a notable drop to and through a support level. We meet a secondary support level, bounce around sideways for a bit, and then break down through multiple support levels. That takes place in like the first hour. We eventually meet another support level. So we go through 1, 2, like easily like 4 or 5 support levels, and we come to a support level and we rotate sideways along that between roughly 10 and 11-ish. We bump up against resistance somewhere around 11 o'clock, 11:15, and then that forms like a minor crest, and from that crest we sell down to and through a support level, and then we reverse. We do this selling from this crest between 11 and 12 down to and through support level, and then there's a little bit of a U-shaped reversal back up and reusing that support. Big move midday to reach for a distant resistance level. Almost irrational, and we eventually meet a key resistance level on a one-day chart there between roughly 2 and 3-ish. Excuse me, between roughly 1 and 2-ish. And that resistance level we break down from with consecutively higher spikes up on the way down. Those spikes up usually meet moving averages as resistance, and the moving averages are usually in bearish formation when we're talking about the strife card. And then we attempt to reestablish support between 2 and 3. And it's the like downside support, so we fall pretty hard towards the end of the day. There's more cross reading, cross time frame correlations going on here. Universe on the 1 month universe, we have for the 14th a big move to the downside. So we had a big gap down, and then we move lower still. In a period of sideways rotation in the last hour, there's a sharp dip that stands out on a one-day chart in the midst of that period of sideways rotation. And we revisit a support level that was recently a past opportunity at that in the midst of that period of rotation and the dip. Right around the close, there is a failed attempt to break through key resistance, followed by a decline through key support. And then there may be a little bit of a notable move higher in the post-market. Sneak preview card speaks of an opening that is an opening level that's for the 15th that's roughly about the same level. This is a maybe card. Maybes are usually right around the same level, and then you can see we have the Queen of Discs is an important support level. We should be at that same support level roughly right around the post market or into the open. And that's the S&P 500 for November 14th, 2022. Let me know what you think by hitting the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. It really helps out, guys. And most importantly, follow that rule of karma. If you're planning on making money from the information that we give out freely, make sure you're paying it forward. Super important. You want to profit from this information. Got to make sure you're following that rule of karma. Check out the video explaining that. And I'll see you guys on the next one.